I just received this message and I want to share this with you. This was in a private DM, and this is one of the members of the VIP that says, man, I'm feeling so sick right now with the market. I thought I was about to make some great money, and all I'm left with is 50% downside. That hurts. I know it hurts. On my entire portfolio, I don't have any more money to add, and honestly, I don't think I'll even close to my goal, which is a 4 to maybe 5x on the entire portfolio. Many of my coins are 70 to 80% down. They're practically dead. And while I was sleeping, one of my good trades got liquidated just because my lower entry got skipped for whatever reason. Honestly, I am very close to giving up on crypto. Very close to giving up on crypto. I've been trying for so long, but nothing good is coming my way. Nothing. I spent so many hours, and at best, I'm going to do maybe a 2 to 3x, which is sad, considering all the time and effort I put into this crypto. Are you feeling this way? Let me know in the comments below. This is what the market wants you to feel. This is what the market makers are doing. They're shaking out people. Last night, ooh, it was tough. It was tough. And we're going to have more of those days too. Now, it just depends when. Is it going to continue going down before it goes up? Or are we going to start going up and then it come down again? This is what the market makers want us to feel. They want us to give us these emotions of giving up. The only way you can lose in crypto is if you quit. That's the only way. Right now, people are down, whether it's, in their entire portfolio or just in some trades. People are feeling the pain. Now, as far as the pain goes, for the crypto, we're at 44% fear, or rather 44 on the fear. For the stock market, it is 46. This is when you want to buy. It hurts and it's scary, but this is when the rich people, they buy. Because there's fear in the streets, there's blood in the streets. And most people, most traders, especially newer traders, they're like, man, I'm down. I'm going to sell. I'm going to sell when the market gets better. And what happens? Well, they sell at a 30, 40, 50, 60, and then some percent loss. And the market starts doing well. The coins start going up 30, 40, 80%. You buy in, and now you have less money. For example, if you had $1,000 and you sold at a 60% loss, well, now you only have 400. When the market gets better, you buy in at $400 before you had 1,000. So your gains automatically are going to be much smaller than if you were to have just held. And it's difficult. If your stomach hurts, if you get anxiety, if you can't sleep at night because you're constantly checking your portfolio and it just goes lower and lower and lower. Problem is your portfolio's down. Solution was to begin to other trades or not look at the portfolio. If it's getting you upset, if it's making you, think, oh, let me get out of the crypto, don't look at it. Know that it's down. Right this time right now, I strongly urge everybody, watch videos, watch training videos, practice on trading view as far as where you would enter, why you would enter. That's the biggest thing. Why would you enter? Is it because it is in a pattern or support resistance? Like, these are the things that every trader needs to do, especially when the trade is not good. Now, if you can and are able to trade futures, well, then you can trade futures with very little leverage because, again, the market is just crazy right now. But this right here is when you want to buy. You hear it all the time. Buy the fear, buy when there's blood in the streets. The wealthy people, they buy when the market is here because everybody's they're buying at a huge discount. Most of the retail, which is us, buys when it's over here, when everything's good. You know, this is the market's great. Everything's going up. This is when most people are buying. This is the best opportunity right here. And this right here, man, if you are lucky enough to buy in this area, this is when you make massive gains. Now, do I think it'll go lower? It might. You know, right now, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum, everything's down. The whole market's down. Speaking about the market, all this up here is down as well. We have unemployment down, inflation, interest rates. Like there's more information on here. This is from the feargreedmeter.com. This is when you want to buy. It's tough. But just know that everything is going to get better. The only way you can lose is if you quit. For me personally, not financial advice, but for me personally, I am not selling, especially at a loss. I'm just going to leave it in there because I know what's going to happen. I know the market's going to get better. I know the light is we are literally at the end of the tunnel and I can see the light. The market is going to get so great. And when it happens fast too. I'm talking one day, you know, the coins are not looking great. And then just out of nowhere, 30%. It was like, whoa, where'd that come from? Okay, well, I'm going to buy the retrace. I'm going to wait for it to come into the golden pocket. And it pulls back 15, 20%, and then shoots up another 80%. You're like, what the heck? All right, well, fine. I'll buy when it pull back again. The golden pocket pulls back 20, 30%, and then another 50, 80% goes up. It's going to be moved very, very fast. And if you're not already in coins and you're waiting for pullbacks, you will miss out. Not financial advice. This is when we don't look at the portfolios if you're at a loss. And next paycheck, you get money and you put into the biggest losers. Because what that's going to do is going to lower your average entry cost. So when the price does go up, you will be in profit much sooner. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is going to change your life. Do not sell. That's what I tell myself. Do not sell. Just be aware that every day we are getting closer and closer. And when you feel that everything is bad, the market's horrible, your portfolio's down, and you feel like, man, I'm going to give up. I'm tired of this already. I'm going to give up. That is the moment you should buy. And you should buy more. It's weird. It's psychology. But that's the moment you want to buy more. Because everybody else is feeling that same way. And what are the market makers? What are the wealthy people doing? They're buying right now. They're buying. All day long, they're buying. Now, when the market is great, and you have euphoria and everything's super, super great, man, you're showing your portfolio to your family, even the family you haven't talked to in years. You're like, look at this, man, portfolio is amazing. Crypto's the answer. You need to get in crypto. You need to get, and you're just super, super happy. You're showing your portfolio to your Uber driver, your Lyft driver. You know, you're ordering pizza just so they can deliver it so you can show off your portfolio. That is when you want to sell. But instead, we want to hold on to it and we want to make more money because that's greed. We want to make more and more and more. And we don't sell. That's when you have to be taking profit. Now, of course, in my VIP group, this is one thing that I'm stressing a whole bunch. When we have fear, we want to buy. We have to buy. We should buy. It's in our best interest to buy. When we have greed, that's when we should start taking profit. And of course, I will be the voice of reasoning, the voice of logic in your ear for all my VIP members. Take profit. Like the market's doing this, take profit. Shave a little bit off, 5%, 10%, something. And you're going to see that, you know, there's one thing that I strongly recommend. Make sure to have your moving averages. And of course, we have a special indicator. With our indicator is going to notify us when we should start taking profit. Of course, you can take profit anytime you want, but this indicator is going to make the decision just a little more easier. All right, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If you're feeling this way, as far as I should just get out, that's what they want you to do. That's what the market maker, and they want you to get out now so they can buy at a discount, and they want you to come back in when the market is booming so they can make their profit. With that being said, guys, if you haven't already, definitely smash the like, subscribe to the channel, make sure that notification bell is on. I'll be going live more frequently throughout the day, so make sure that notification bell is on. I do thank you very much. And if you're feeling this way, rest assured, it's going to get better. Man, it's going to be so great. Great times are ahead of us, guys. Great times are ahead of us. It's going to be amazing. And then you're going to look back and you're going to give the same advice to the next round of people that come in. Next season, next bull run, you're going to have people that are telling you, man, I just want to leave. I just want to quit. I'm done. And you will have the same conversation with them. It's a cycle. Every bull run, you learn. And then every bull run, you give the advice that was given to you, which I'm doing right now. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to smash the like and leave me a comment. Are you feeling fear? Are you feeling where you just want to get out? Or have you been in a cycle or two before? How many cycles have you been in? I'm very curious. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's make this money. Make sure to watch me every single day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going live more often too, late in the evening and sometimes early in the morning. Make sure the notification bell is on. Thank you. Talk to you soon.